It is 2024 coming to an end. As you can see, I was doing a DeFi report in 2024. I can't believe it's going to be 2025. This is your Super D Life here with another new video. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all that great stuff for me. The market is crazy. Crypto is crazy right now. That's right. And if you have been in here for a while, you know what's the most important part about this time. And that is no other than the big B in all of our vocabulary, Bitcoin. That's right. So if you like this type of content, crypto, DeFi, make sure, again, leave a comment in the bottom and like the video. All right, so let's hop right into it. What is today's video about? You see the thumbnail, you see the title. Speculation, 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 speculation time. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time. Last time I did a video, we were talking about Bitcoin. That's right. I was trading on a demo leveraged account because, of course, I'm not a leverage trader. I'm usually a spot or a forex trader in my experience. So I just decided to, get my feet wet. So I'm here on my trading view account, which I've had like what, maybe since 2018, I would say. And so if we take a quick look right here, you will see all the tokens that I'm speculating on right now, crew members and passengers. And right now, this particular token is one of my top altcoins to get into the market. As you can see right now, and I said, you know what? If we get back down to these lows, I will potentially get into a trade with no other than VeChain. We're talking about VeChain, crew members. Look at this amazing move. And this was back when, can we go higher? Can we go higher? But guess what, crew members? We surely went higher. We went that I lost. That last opportunity, I knew we were going to go down again. Bitcoin, I missed the second short. I caught the first short, as you see in that last video I did. And I was trying to get crypto into my exchanges, but I was having technical difficulties. Could not get it in. Could not catch that beautiful BTC short from 100,000. As you can see right now, remember we are at 96. So the question is, are we gonna go lower? Is it safe right now to go long? Well, members, we've got to at least wait at least a few days to see how this plays out. You don't want to rush right in and go long. I do want to go long, believe it or not. I just set a Shiba alert. I think my alert just came out. If I go and check my notifications, let's see. Oh, they moved to the profile menu. Okay, all right. So let's go to my profile. No notifications here yet. What do you mean? I got a notification on Shiba. All right, so let's just go back. I knew I got a notification on Shiba, but anyway, right? I've been holding Shiba, and no, I don't want to leave the site. I want to go back. I want to go back to Trading View. All right, so let's take this off. All right, so here we go. So this is one of my top favorite tokens. Long story short, VeChain. I'm thinking about getting into a long on this. If we continue to hold this line, if we don't, then I definitely think we're going to go back and visit the 2 cents area. You know what? If we get back down here, I think we've been around this area for a long period of time, remember, all the way back from October. So this is my only concern, because you don't want to get in at where are we now? 4 cents, and we short, and we go down lower because, of course, we know when Bitcoin goes down, our altcoins go down. So Bitcoin needs to hold its level. Once Bitcoin can hold its level, then I could see us getting into a potential long right over here on no other than Pionex. As you can see, once it comes up, there we go. And also this token I've been watching also too. As you can see here, Doge. Doge is at a wonderful buy right now. It is a good discount, 30 cents. But again, the question is, when is this dip gonna quote unquote be over? RSI right now is going into the oversold area. So that could be a potential, long there. And then again, we missed the short. That is the whole problem. So, waiting for all the quote unquote, how would we say, paper hands or everybody to get either stopped out or either, take profits. And then we take a nice breather from that long move all the way up to 107. And then we get back down to a wonderful, long. That is what I'm talking about. I want to get into a long, or at least hold that trade for at least 30 days. And we're making at least, hopefully, 50% on a 20x. That's right, I said it. 20x. That is my trade idea. So I'm looking for the token, the alt, or either the major that could potentially do a 50% on a 20x. That is amazing. And that is my speculation, crew members. That's what I'm speculating on right now. I've got Shiba, I've got SAN, I've got BTC, I've got VeChain, Ethereum, Doge, and Solana. Some of my cryptocurrencies that I've been watching, XRP. Well, I've always been an XRP fan. Unfortunately, I lost it in DeFi. All of it, sent it to, what it was, QOP or some. What was I thinking? Yeah, at 35 cents, all the way to a buck, $2, 22. I mean, amazing. Even on spot, just holding it is a beautiful percentage gain there. So these are my trade ideas. This is what I'm thinking. I'm speculating on the market right now. Hopefully I can get in here and start getting some more. Just, this is the time right now. Trading videos going on. Market videos. Looking at the market. Looking at, the news. What's going to be affecting the price? When can we get a good entry? Or do we just hold on for dear life, take a chance, open up, and just hope we go back up? Let's take a look at BTC before we get out of here right now. This is the line that I drew here, and this is where we broke. We broke this line, and when we broke this line, we pretty much rallied. This was our, quote-unquote, our last high. So as you can see, usually markets will come back to revisit previous lows. So when we're looking at Bitcoin, let's just open this up a little bit right here. This is my idea that I'm looking at. And unfortunately, we can see that levels have been broken from a technical standpoint. If we go right here, and we just connect these dots right here, connect these candles, we see that we've been on this uptrend. The uptrend is broken. Right now, if we zoom in a little bit, we'll see that MACD is signaling a buy right now. That's what MACD is signaling, but this could be a break or it could be a fake out. It could be a fake out. Then we're going back up. So let's just bring this down here and come back over here. And this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I'm sure a lot of other traders are also looking at this right here. We're back in another channel for Bitcoin. So I can see if we can't hold, then we're going to spill back over and we could potentially visit this area right here, which is that 70, 80,000 area. This is where we had some resistance, but then we broke it. And once we broke it, we rallied. So let's go ahead and draw that resistance right here. Zoom in a little bit on this. Come back over here. And there we go. Alright, so bring it down a little bit. Boom. So that's what we are looking at right there. Should we potentially go back down further? So let's just take this and bring it down here. So look, two things. That's the beautiful thing with trading. Either it's got to be long, either it's got to be a short. If I look at this right now, it could be a potential fake out. But you know what? The great thing that you can always do if you're not sure and you're not, scared to lose, you can always keep an eye on the markets, jump on over to your exchange. Like for now, we could, let's see, going over to a wallet, go get this BTC that we have. And we could go ahead and let's transfer this over to our futures account. And what I do like about Pionex, you can also swap your, you can swap your crypto. You can just go ahead and just swap it, easy peasy. So let's go ahead and, where is it? Where is it? I'm a little rusty here. I don't do too much trading over here. I'm more of a set it and forget it bot guy. Pionex, by the way, beautiful bots. My bot, we probably profited since 2021. What, 25%? Being with the crash and going back up again. When I first put $50 in here on a bot, it was at 50, and now it's at 73. So like 20%, almost odd. If I'm doing the right numbers, it could be more than that. No, it's a little bit more than that. That's almost 40%. If my memory serves me right. Yeah, I think that's what it is. All right, so let us go and transfer. Overview. And I'm going to open up a small position on a short. If the market continues to go down, then I'll add a little bit more and scale my way in. And potentially, like I said, we'll revisit that area, that 80,000 or the 90,000. Round numbers are always, the numbers to revisit when you're trading. Big round numbers. And yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. But if we continue to hold that 95, 90 area, we could be potentially going back up. But as you can see, we broke out the channel. And usually a break determines that we're going to go down. But you know what? This market, this TA may be a little bit different. I don't know. Let's see. All right, so let's go futures trading. And we are going to go to transfer funds. So let's go ahead and open up a BTC futures trade right now, live, for the first time ever. A live, real. It's going to be USDT or USD coin M. Let's see. Let's do USDT. BTC USDT. So our profits are going to be in USDT. And we get down to $90. You know what? That's when I'll take some profits. I'll short down there. So we'll put maybe about, 20% on this trade, 20, 30%. I think that's a good start to scale into a short right now. Even though MACD is telling us to buy right now. I do believe I'm on the daily, so let's zoom in a little bit on this right here. Let's zoom in on the charts. All right, remember. So I know this video is a little bit long, right? I may have to split this in two. All right, so as you can see, we've got oh boy. All right, indecision. So we went down all the way back almost to 90. And as you can see, that is the area right there where we want to hold. Back down here at a 4 touch and we don't hold, then we're definitely coming down to this area here. The 85 and, yeah, 85, 80-ish area. But definitely this area right here. Now, hopefully this support will hold. It held for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more like 4 or 5 days, 4 days. And hopefully that support will be strong enough for Bitcoin. And then we see that holding. Then we can turn around and close that position and turn it into a long. And then hopefully we get back up to 100,000 and beyond. That would be one of the best cryptocurrency trades I ever made. So let's go ahead and let's click the transfer funds button. And we are going to transfer USDT futures account, start trading. 50 USDT. So we've got all 73.15 USDT. And we're going to choose customize because I don't want to, sell out of it right now. It's the weekend, right? So let's go ahead and we're going to do 23. Let's take out 23. And let's transfer that over. All right, boom. Okie dokie. So let's go back up here and let's see right now where we are on the 4 hour. So we got that USDT in our wallet, and definitely we've been oversold here. As you can see, that was where we were there. So maybe it could be a time for a little bounce, a small long probably, or it could mean that we're still gonna go back down and retest where we wicked to, which was that. Let's go back to the daily. Which was that level right here. Right back down to this 90, and we bounced off that support. So remember, so let's go ahead and we're gonna open up a trade right now, live. So we're gonna choose, let's go with 10x. We're gonna choose a little bit of leverage on this sell. And yeah, let's go with 10x. Now hopefully we don't go back up to 100,000 on this. If we do, then we probably could be liquidated. But you know what? Hey, this is all for learning purposes. You trade with what you can afford to lose. You learn the market. You get that experience, and then you become a better trader. All right? So that's what I'm doing right now. Trading live, here with my crew members. I've never done this before in any of my videos. It's always been DeFi, never really trading. And yeah, that's it. So we got our margin chose. Next, we're going to go with isolated. That's what we're going to choose. Isolated, not cross. Boom. And it's going to be single asset mode. Right? Correct. And pretty much that is it, members. Next, we're going to go with order value. If we do 7%, it's going to be 8.05 USDT. Usually the minimum is at least 10. So you know what? We're going to go with, if we go with 100%, 39 USDT, but we don't have all that, right? So we're just going to do, let's just do 50%. 10.35. It's going to be a sell short. Are we going to put in a stop loss? Nah, let's just see. So there we go, members. Oh, we got 5x, and I thought it took a 10x. Isolated, 5x, liquidated price. It's got to be 150 USDT. No, we want 10x. We want 10x. We don't want a 5x. We want to make this a $100 trade, where we can make back 20 or 30 bucks off it easily. If we, get back down to that 90, that'd probably be like 5%. Let's go back up. Let's go 10x. Hopefully we're right on this trade like we were when I was doing my TA on that Bitcoin, where we were at, at 96, 97, back at the same level. And you know what I said? You know what? We're exhausted. Has that move back in November. And we're sitting right on this moving average right here. So you know what? We are definitely going into that short. All right, there we go. Let's just go with 11. Boom. Now again, like I said, remembers, this is all for my new unexperienced traders. If you've never traded leverage before, this is just education and entertainment purposes only. This is for fun. We're going to see if our hunch or our TA that we did is going to work. We'll be right, we'll be wrong. And we come back and we view it on the next video. And I'll say, you know what, crew members, I was wrong. It wasn't a short. You know what, crew members, I was right. It was a short. We made some crypto. And then we close our trade and then we're good to go. And I'm going to leave this open. I'm not going to put any stop losses on it or anything. Boom. Order submitted. As you can see, we've been filled. And that order should show up at the bottom over here with our information. Where is it? All right, there we go. BTC USDT perpetual. As you can see. Wait a minute. It said it was order was submitted, but what we weren't filled? Oh, was that a limit order? Or was it a market? I totally forgot market. Oh, so I did the wrong thing. I was supposed to choose market. See, there we go. Learning, learning, learning. So let's see. Orders. One, we're going to cancel this right now. So we're going to cancel that order. And it's going to be a market order. We're going to take a market order. Yeah, we're going to cancel that. And it's going to be a market order. So if you've never traded before, just like me, never traded crypto, my first time ever really trading crypto myself, in reality, only traded Forex, you know what, hey, I'm happy. I'm happy I'm doing this. If we lose or we win, it's experience. That's what it's all about, just gaining the experience. That is it. So now we're going to sell short with a market order, so we are ready. Get into the market. We've got a nice liquidation price of 115,000. If the market is going up, you know what? We'll close and we'll turn around and we'll open up with our higher leverage so we can hedge and make back what we lost. And yeah, that's what it's all about. So this liquidated price is at 105. And it is what it is. We're selling. There we go. Now that should definitely show up right away. All right, there we go. We got the money in the bank. Opened up our trade, as you can see. Order submitted. And that is a sell. There's our liquidated price. We opened up at 96. And here's our, you've got one isolated, BTC USD perp, 10x, at value of 0.001. And there's our margin that we put up. That is our purchase price. Here's our liquidation price. And let's look at the details. So if you never had a Pionex account, go ahead. The link will be in the description, and you could open up yourself a Pionex account. You could make this same trade if you like to. If you do believe we're going to go down and retest that support, like I said again, which I do believe, we need 3 times as a charm. We need to hold it at least 3 times, and don't break. Then we could see ourselves making our way back up slowly but surely. Or who knows? We may even pump, and yeah, be up there right away. But I'm opening this up for now, right now. And like I said, hopefully we can get back down to that 90 level and retest that. And yeah, that is it for me right now. So we've got our trade open. There we go. Live trade. Real USDT, as you can see. Transferred it live. Not fake like I did over here with that paper Bitcoin where we made 58% on that short. Give myself another round of applause. This is D-Life here. Coming back hopefully with more crypto speculation, TA, and trading videos, because that is the trend right now. DeFi, I might be giving you a little bit of break, but you know what? Still come back to DeFi and see what's out there new in DeFi. See what's still working. See what's not working because I haven't been here in a long time. See if there's anything that I was in the past 2 months, if they're still there. Still making me passive income. So it's still all about passive income. Trading crypto right now. And maybe even one day back in Forex. All right. I am over and out. This is D-Life here. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.